Bah AL Hek MLA ka Pynrem kra Ubaderu General Secretary Barim ka Federation of Khasi Jingjia and Garo People. Ula Pynrem ka jingjia sha ki paidbah haka jingjia paidbah ka FKJGP haka arpo pratarik Risau arajar arpoar. Ubah AL Hek ula kan thoru ika sarkar ka bakram syam lapan biang tikana yaki pulit pahara. Ulong bah kapor bayaki kinuhikai kibatang kanyat ngut ka sarkar ka penbiang kibor pahara kat bah ka jingjia paidbah jong ka FKJGP ka klam lapan biang satya ka balawan ra ka jingsya bom syatit jong ki paidbah.
Not only the MLA from the mixed constituency, I'm a concern as a human being. I don't see as a MLA of the mixed constituency as cosmopolitan constituency. I see as a human being. So what was happened yesterday, I strongly condemn. It should not happen. I'm being the member of the founder generosity of the Federation of Kasi Jantia people. I condemn the incident to happen yesterday. It is fact. This is fact. When the poor teachers they went on the peaceful processions and rally, they use all men's means to stop them. But these people who are going and the vandalizing and beat the people on the way, there's no policeman there's no law and order. How we are running the government without any law and order to protect the law, to protect the law. See, government, the administrations, and the police, they should not. They should take action against those who are taking the law in their hands. They should not be spared. Anybody who has been doing this. I also strongly condemn the incident happened yesterday.